Alright, gonna bring the garbage can back over here. Well, took it out early today. Today's garbage day. Let's get this. Bring it back. Press that. Back out. Let's go. Big storm heading this way. I mean, big time storm. Let's get this on here. All right, got that strapped on. Let's go beat the storm. Try to back up and do it. Hopefully that works. Is it gonna work? Alright, let's do it. Do it to it. That works. Now let's get this thing off of here. First, gonna do that. Go to the other side. Do the same thing. There we go. Get that over there. Grab this. Put it right there. So, yep. Dang it. Where's it stuck on? I don't even know. There we go. Get it up against the wall. How about that? That'll work. Big time thunder. Let's close this up. Yep. Take your time. That's it. That was quite a noisy door close. Got that done. We took a look at the storm. There we go. Tone down the exposure so I can see what it actually looks like. There it is. Yeah, it's pretty big. Looks pretty big on radar too, but yep. There's the storm from another angle. This one got a little bit closer, but that's storm. Is that rotation? No. Looks like it for a second. But that might be a lowering wall cloud. Could be. My hair's all wet because I was in the pool, and now there's a storm coming, and I just beat the storm whenever I took the trash can, or got the trash can back out here. I'm gonna keep an eye on that. That looks like a lowering on it. So I'm keeping an eye on that. The storm is finally somewhat hit. Kind of. I mean, it's here, but it sprinkled for just a second, and then it quit, and now it's starting up again. But the thunder's quite active. Hang on, I'm trying to get you guys set up here. Yes, here. Ah, dang on it. No, I did that. That's kind of stupid. Okay, now it's here. Now it's well. You tell me. Does that not look like rain to you? Yeah, it's rain. That is rain. I hear a car going. Yep. Now it's it. There's a couple little wall clouds, but they're not anything rotating or anything severe or tornadic. And the rotation that I pointed out earlier that I thought was rotation, but then I said it wasn't, but then it ended up being rotation. I looked on later and there was a little bit of a velocity couplet, but it wasn't anything tornadic or anything. But yeah, it's finally here. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.